Nothing undermines color harmony and creates muddy colors more than clashing undertones. A color's mass tone is what appears when the paint is first seen out of the tube, or painted thickly, undiluted, and concentrated. Basically anytime light can't get through the paint and reflect off the surface beneath. This is also known as body color, top tone, or mass color. But small impurities exist in any pigment and create a color bias that's revealed when the paint is applied more thinly or compared or mixed with another color. In some colors, the mass tone and undertone are very similar, but for other colors, undertones can be quite different from their mass tone. Some reds will lean more yellow or orange, while others will slant more violet or blue. Note that undertones are also slightly different depending on the manufacturer, so the same paint may have different ratio of additives, medium, or pigment impurities. And you can see here that ivory black has a very cool mass tone, but has a much warmer, browner undertone. If you don't understand the undertone or color bias, then you'll have unpredictable results when you mix colors. With experience, you can take that guesswork out of this process. But if you're a beginner artist, a great tip is to paint thin color swatches on a white ground. You'll be able to examine the change of a color when it's painted thinly versus its mass tone that appears out of the tube. And it will help you to understand the results that can happen when you mix colors.